Welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info. In front of me is Pixel 10 Pro. In this video I'm going to tell you whether this device have temperature sensor. Yes, Google Pixel 10 Pro has built-in temperature sensor that is located on the back of your device, right beneath LED flash. This is LED flash and this is temperature sensor. It works well with pre-installed application Thermometer. So let's open this application. It looks like this, and using this application you can measure temperature of different objects such as food and even human body temperature. So that is basically it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If this was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this, and I will see you in the next one.